Hello, I'm Nadine and a very warm welcome. So today we are making these beautiful apple rose pastry tarts, and trust me, they taste just as good as they look. So before we start, I'm going to have these dessert recipes and pretty presentation ideas here every week. So please subscribe, hit the bell and like the video. Okay, so we're starting with our apples. I have some red delicious apples here. Just use any apple that looks red. And what we have to do is we leave the skin on, so no peeling. And just cut it in half. Use a nice sharp knife. I love this shun paring knife that I have. I'll see if I can find a link for it for you. And then core it. I have this melon baller that I use, but you can use a spoon. It works just as well. And then just this part we will remove carefully. Okay, once you have it like this, we'll just turn it over, and you have to cut very thin slices. You can use a mandolin to do this, but once I cut my finger really badly with them, so I have a bit of a fear. So a knife works just fine. Okay, so just take the first bit off and just real thin slices. So I have them all sliced up here nice and thin, and they're already looking so pretty. And so what you do is, after you slice them, take some warm water and put the juice of half a lemon in it, and then we will just put it in the water, and then this goes in the microwave for about 2 minutes. So microwave them for 1 minute and check them, and then another minute. The reason we do this step is that you want them to be soft when we roll them, otherwise they'll be breaking, so we don't want that. Okay, so I've put the apples in the microwave, and for this next step we need some egg wash, which is just 1 egg beaten with a tablespoon of water. And then we're going to make this yummy butter to spread on the pastry. So we have some butter, we're going to put sugar, cinnamon, and vanilla, and a pinch of salt. And we're just going to mix it up. So I've rolled out some puff pastry here and cut it into 6 strips. They are 12 inches long and 2 inches wide. So let's assemble these. So first step is we put our butter that we prepared earlier. And this you want to put a thin layer. I'll just show you one at a time. If you put too much, it bubbles too much when it's baking. But this makes it super yummy and crispy in the oven. Then we will put our softened apples. So you want them peeking a little bit on top, and we're going to overlap them. Just leave a little bit of space off the end. Now we are going to fold this. So just like that, you fold it over the apples. There you go. So they're nice and tucked in. We put a little bit of this egg wash. This makes everything stick and sort of, it's like the glue. And then we roll it up tightly. Look how gorgeous that is. And then just at the end, put a little bit of extra egg wash and give it a slight pinch so that it doesn't open when you bake it. And that's it. There we have it. Now I will do the rest and show you the next step. Oh, look at these cuties. So now what we'll do is, I have a little bit of cinnamon sugar here, which is just 2 tablespoons of sugar and half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and we are just going to sprinkle these with the sugar. This obviously makes it sweeter, but it caramelizes and makes it even more crisp. And then I have a cupcake tray here, lightly greased, and all you do is put them in and they'll fit perfectly with the 12-inch that we rolled out. These go in the oven at 375 for 20 minutes, and then lower the oven to 350 and bake them for another 20 minutes, and they'll be done when they're nice golden brown. So they're out of the oven and looking beautiful. So you should just take them out while they're warm, otherwise they'll stick. Just loosen them with a butter knife and take them out, and they're ready to eat. So we are going to do the taste test. Yummy. Flaky, crispy pastry, yummy apples. And this is fall baking at its best. And there's such pretty little things that they would be perfect for your Thanksgiving table as well. So many options. So I will put the recipe on my website, nadine.com, and if you make these, please tag me on Instagram. I love seeing those pics, they make me so happy. And I'm actually going to use these as a decoration for a very yummy apple dessert next week. So please make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. And if you like the video, got value out of it, please hit the like button. And that's it. I hope you share this with your loved ones. Until next time. And it'll be perfect for